Hi guys, now let me teach you a powerful shortcut for a powerful drawing tool and its shortcut in AutoCAD, and that is the X line. X line is an infinite line that also guides and makes reference on each end of our screen. Okay, now let us first make an X line using the standard command. On the command prompt, type X-line or XL and press the enter key. Now you will be asked if the line is a horizontal or in vertical direction. So you can simply type H or horizontal like that, or another one, X line, enter, V for vertical, and then like that. Okay. Now this is a very useful command. This also serves as a guide, like a straight rule that is running along the lines that reference the other parts of your drawing. But if you can notice, it takes quite a few commands to execute. Now, we can enjoy of this tool more if we apply a shortcut to make this work quick. To make this shortcut, okay, let's first erase this. To make the shortcut, we could simply go to Express Tools. Now go to Command Aliases, and then on the Command Aliases, we could simply type in XL or X line. Now the option will be Add, Remove, or Edit. So we just need to edit the command. Okay. Now since this has a two letters, so you need to type two letters consecutively. We could eliminate one letter, so we could only type just one letter to execute this. Okay. Now since it sounds a letter X, so we would simply choose the letter X for the shortcut. Okay. Again, we edit, and then on the XL we just simply type the X. Okay. And then let's type, click OK. Now you will be prompted. Okay, the alias X is already being used for the explode command. Do you want to redefine it? So it means that letter X, when you type letter X on the command prompt, it pertains already to the explode command. So it has already a command, specific command assigned to it. So X is really assigned to explode command. Now what are we going to do? Okay, so we first simply reassign the X for the X line. Why do I choose to still redefine this command? Because explode is very seldom used. Okay, so very seldom used in AutoCAD. Okay, so we don't use it all the time. However, we use X line more. We need to apply X line very frequently. Okay, so because that is a very useful reference line. Okay, so um, since it is being asked, the alias X is already being used for the explode command. Do you want to redefine it? So let's simply click yes. Okay, now it would say the alias X now refers to X line. Okay, then we just click OK. Now, since letter X is already assigned to explode command, okay, we will now edit the X that is assigned to the explode command. So how do we do that? So since you can still see explode for X for explode command, we will edit it again. Okay, so let's click on edit. Now, how do we assign? What do we assign for the letter X? Now, since X is already in its position on the keyboard for the explode, let us not go farther from that position. Okay, so what we can do, since since the command explode is very seldom used, we can put two letters for that. We can assign two letters for that. Okay, we don't always use a shortcut for the explode, since explode is not always being used on drafting. Okay, so for the explode command, since X is already assigned as its shortcut, what we can do is to just double the letter. Okay, double the letter. So if it's already assigned as X, we could simply add another X. So it would now be double X. So you type XX on your keyboard, so you could execute. That is for the explode command. Alright? Okay, now we click on OK. Alright, so you could see it is already being encoded here. Now it is already XX is already explode, and this one we could simply remove it. Okay, alright, so XX is explode and X is for the X line. Alright, okay, now we click on apply. The configuration file already exists. Do you want to overwrite it? So we could simply click on yes. Okay, now it will say your AutoCAD aliases have been saved and the current AutoCAD session has been updated. Alright, now we simply click on OK, and then we simply click on OK. Alright, now let's try this. Let's simply click on X. Now it is assigned to X line, right? Now how do we make an enter command? So for this sequence, we will use the right click on your mouse for the enter. So we click on X and then we click right click. Okay, okay, now this is important. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time, so what you need to do is you just simply need to repeat the process. I remember this process isn't, sometimes it does not work the first or even second time. I'm really not sure why. However, you just need to repeat the same sequence, same process Now this time I will be trying not to delete the explode or X on this editor. Okay, so let's check now. This is what I'm saying. Try it on your mouse. X with your left hand, okay? Index finger, and then right click on the mouse. Now, you will be asked if this is each for horizontal, V for vertical, angle, bisect, offset. So you simply type the initial, the shortcut. Each for horizontal. Let's try. Alright, so X and then right click for the enter. Now after we type H or V for our preference, what do we type for the next enter? For example, I type the V. Now what do I type for the enter? Is it the right click? No, that would be the space bar for the enter. Okay, so you will have a rhythm. Okay, now we have a vertical X line. So let's try this again. X right click, H space bar. Now we have a faster way of making an X line, right? Alright, so this is now very useful. So you will no longer have a long time making an X line. So you simply click on one letter, X, and then right click. Okay, now V and then space bar for the enter, vertical X line, X on the keyboard, right click for the enter, and then H space bar for the enter for the horizontal. Okay, and so on. Now I hope you will enjoy and use X line more often now. Okay, because this would be a reference running from end to end of your keyboard. Okay, you can try it for yourself and you will be surprised. Alright, okay, now let's try to use the explode command with the edited shortcut. Let's make for example a rectangle, because a rectangle is made up of one single entity. Okay, now let's try to explode. What did we put in the explode? So that is double X, right? So type in XX, enter. As you can see here now on the command prompt, it now for XX now pertains to explode command. Okay, so this is now exploded. Even polyline, let's try PL. Okay, so this can be exploded. Just try double X. Alright. So we had two shortcuts for two commands. One is X line, which is now just X, and then explode, which would be double X. So this is very easy to remember. So just one letter, and then just if it's just a single X, it means X line, and then double X means explode. Very easy to remember. You don't have to type XL, just type X, and that it will give you an X line. And for the explode, you don't have to transfer your finger, just type in twice the letter X, and then you will have the explode command. So, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next shortcut. Thank you.